Guys, hello everyone. Crypto Interest is with you. Right now, the daily Bitcoin review. I tell you how to trade today to get the maximum profit on the market. Short, very helpful video. Tomorrow we will finally have the long-awaited meeting of the Fed. There will be a key rate hike, plus, very importantly, there will be a speech by Jerome Powell, and yesterday I forgot to tell you about one important event, so I'll tell you about it right now. Let's start with one interesting moment, namely with monthly candles, because today we have November 1st and a new monthly candle has opened, and please pay attention to the October and September ones. We've had a so-called bullish takeover. For me, this is not a strong factor, but nevertheless, the hike above fits very well in this place, so keep this in mind and watch how this current monthly candle closes for us. Now let's move on to the local situation for Bitcoin. So, let's see what happened to us yesterday. Ideally, our triangle here is working out with compression to the upper border. Please look, yesterday we formed the second point, the lower second point, which is the fourth for us. In this structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in fact we are clamped, the spring is clamped. I would like to say that this is a bullish triangle, because it is squeezing to the upper border and that we should fly higher from here one way or another. But there is a nuance, with this any triangle is a continuation of the trend, but here we do not have a bullish trend as such. We just got out of this base, from a flat a little higher, and now we are forming a structure here for continuation. Therefore, there is a risk that we will potentially go lower. Again, I will say what tells us about this and how likely it is. But, nevertheless, here I continue to keep my local long position and, accordingly, I am waiting for a higher exit. And then a few important points and entry points. So, as I said, I'm waiting for a clamp in this triangle and an exit higher, but why am I saying that all the same? Collecting stop losses and going to this level, we can potentially see? First, let's start with the trending RSI. For me, this is not a priority indicator, but nevertheless, please look, we still broke through the trend line and returned for its confirmation, and in fact, right here, we can see the hike below with you. In general, according to technical analysis, it falls here. Why am I not saying that this is a priority indicator? First, because this is a 4-hour time frame, we don't have anything like that on the 1-day time frame. Secondly, all indicators are just additional factors, but nevertheless, keep in mind that it is very important not only how much the rate will be raised tomorrow, most likely it will be 75 basis points, but exactly what Jerome Powell will say, and most importantly, that he will talk during the session with questions and answers, because as a rule there is no preliminary preparation and he can say something that will affect the course of events and the development of events in the market. And what can we see? As you and I often see during these meetings, we see a lot of volatility at the moment of the meeting, so keep in mind that in general it may be that Powell will say something and in general the market will react positively to the rally. Then Powell will say that then we will also collect stop losses here and, accordingly, just go to court, and after that we will fly higher. Therefore, keep your finger on the pulse, and if we suddenly come to this level, then I am here 100%, okay 99.9%, because there may be a huge red candle and then not, but 99.9% that I am here. In this case I will take a long position. Otherwise, if we do not go there, then on breaking through and exiting this triangle, I will again increase the volume of my long position here. In short, keep in mind that there may be volatility during Powell's speech. And now about the new Bitcoin entry point. Also, look, I want to tell the guys right away that if we go higher in Bitcoin, then I will gain short positions here from the level of 22,300. Why? Because in order to go higher, just one pump is not enough for us. Firstly, we have short levels here that will keep us in this range, so in any case I will count on a local rebound. For example, return here and I will be gaining a short position here. In addition, if we open the entire chart with you and open the weekly candles with you, please look, this blue line here is the EMA 200. Just like that, we will not break through it again. Here, 100%, there will be some kind of local rebounds, so keep in mind that there, according to technical analysis, I personally will open a short position, but you yourself look further accordingly. But nevertheless, this level, 22,300 for us, when we come here, is a signal for a short position, because we are 99% likely, I can even say 100%, we will see at least some local rebound here. That's all guys, that's all you need to know for today to get the maximum profit in the market. And the most important thing for me is your support, so subscribe to the channel right now, be sure to turn on notifications so as not to miss the latest releases, and of course, put the maximum likes, because your likes are food, energy and motivation for me, which makes me shoot every day and keep you updated. I also want to remind you, this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. I am not a financial advisor. Bye everyone.